In the previous video, we understood the Match Properties command in AutoCAD 2027. We learned how to copy properties like layer, color, line type, and line weight from object to another. Now, in this video, we'll understand another very useful tool, the Quick Select command. The Quick Select command helps us to select the object based on their properties. For example, you can select all lines in the drawing. You can select all the objects in a wall layer. You can select all the red objects. You can select all the circles. You can select the objects with a specific line type or a color. Hi, I'm Dipan and welcome back to Cadelyx. AutoCAD made simple. Let's understand the quick select command in a very simple way. Quick select is used to select objects quickly by using filters. Think of it like searching for a specific type of object in your drawing. Imagine your drawing has walls, doors, windows, furniture, text, dimensions, and circle. Now you only want to select all the circles. Instead of clicking each circle one by one, you can use the quick select. So the simple way to remember it is this. Quick select helps us to find and select objects based on the rules. It saves time when the drawing has many objects available. Quick select is useful because AutoCAD drawings can become crowded. In the small drawing, selecting your objects manually is very easy, but in the large drawings, it becomes difficult. For example, you may want to select all objects on the door layer, or all dimensions, or all text, or all objects with a specific color. Quick select helps you to do this quickly. This is very useful when cleaning drawings, cleaning layers, deleting extra objects, or fixing mistakes. So remember, quick select is useful when manual selection takes too much time. There are two ways to start the quick select. One common way is from the ribbon. Go to the Home tab. Look for the Utility panel. You may find the quick select there. You can also right click on the drawing area and choose the quick select depending on your workspace. The easiest way is by typing. Go to the command line. Then type QSELECT and press enter. So remember, QSELECT start the quick select command. When you start the quick select, AutoCAD opens the quick select window. This window may look a little confusing at first, but don't worry. It is asking you for the simple questions. What type of object do you want to select? Which properties you want to select or check? What values should AutoCAD look for? Do you want to include those objects in the selection? Once you understand this question, quick selection becomes very easy. The first important option is object type. Object type means what kind of object you want to ask to AutoCAD to search for. For example, is it a line, circle, arc, polyline, text, dimension, hedge, log reference, any of this. If you want to select all circles, choose circles. If you want to select all text objects, choose text object. If you want to select all lines, choose line. So remember, object type tells AutoCAD what kind of object you are looking for. The next important option is properties. Properties means what object information AutoCAD should check. For example, color, layer, line type, line weight, radius, text height, object type. These properties depends on the object type you selected. For beginners, the most common properties are layer, color, line type, line weight. These are the ones you will use most often. Quick select also use operators and values. This may sound technical, but this is very simple. Operator means the condition. Value means what AutoCAD should look for. For example, if you choose property as a layer, the value can be walls. That means AutoCAD will look for objects on the walls layer. If you choose property as a color, the value can be red. That means AutoCAD will look for red objects. So the simple way to understand is this. Property is what you are checking. Value is what you want to find. Let's do a simple example. Imagine your drawing has objects on a different layers, like wall, door, windows, and furniture. You need to select everything on the walls layer. Type QSELECT and press enter. In the object type, you can choose the multiple or keep it general if available. In properties, choose layer. In value, choose walls. Then click OK. AutoCAD select all the objects on the wall layer. Now you can change them, move them, erase them, or check them. This is one of the most useful use of the quick select. Now Let's select all circles. Type QSELECT and press enter. In the object type, choose circle. If you want all circles, keep the property filter simple. Click OK. AutoCAD select all the circles in the drawing. This is useful in mechanical drawings, lighting layouts, symbols, holes, and circular objects. Instead of checking each circle manually, Quick Select does the job for you. So remember, Quick Select can select objects by type. Quick Select can also select objects by color. For example, suppose some objects are red and you want to select all the red objects available. Type QSELECT and press enter. Choose the object type or keep it general. In the properties, choose color, and in the values, select red. Then click OK. AutoCAD select red objects. This is useful when objects are not organized properly by layer, but they still have a different colors. Quick Select can also select objects by line type. For example, maybe you want to select all the dashed lines. Type QSELECT and press enter. In properties, choose line type. In the value, choose dash type and click OK. AutoCAD select the objects with the same line type. It is useful when working with hidden lines, center lines, construction lines, or special line styles. So, Quick Select can also help you to find objects that look similar. Quick Select can work in the different areas. It can search the entire drawing, or it can search only inside the object you already selected. For example, if you want to search the whole drawing, use the entire drawing option. But if you only want to choose inside the selected area, first select those objects. Then open the Quick Select and apply the current selection. As a beginner, start with the entire drawing. Later, when you become comfortable, you can use the Quick Select inside the select area. You can also select object first and then use Quick Select. For example, select a group of objects in one room. Now, type QSELECT and press enter. Tell AutoCAD to find only circles inside that selection. AutoCAD will select circles only from those objects you already selected. This is useful when you want to filter objects in a specific area of the drawing. So remember, Quick Select can filter the whole drawing or only the selected objects. Quick Select works very well with the properties palette. For example, you can use Quick Select and select all the objects in your wrong layer. Then open the properties palette using Ctrl 1. Change that layer type to correct layer. This is very simple and powerful. Quick Select helps you to find the objects. Property palettes help you to change them. So, the simple workflow is this. Find the Quick Select, fix with property palettes. So let's quickly summarize the Quick Select command. The Quick Select command helps you to select objects based on the properties. You can start it by typing QSELECT and press enter. You can select the objects by type, layer, color, line weight, line type, and other properties. Object type tells AutoCAD that what kind of object you want. Property tells AutoCAD what information to check. Value tells AutoCAD what to do and find next. Quick Select is very useful for large drawings, clean work, large corrections, and selecting many objects quickly. Before we move to the next video, do this small practice. Open a new drawing in AutoCAD. Create 3 layers. Name them wall, doors, and windows. Draw a few lines on each layer. Type QSELECT and press enter. Use QSELECT to select all the objects on the layer wall. Then click OK. Now AutoCAD should select only the wall objects. Next, draw a few circles. Type QSELECT again. Choose object type as a circle. Then click OK. AutoCAD should select all the circles. Now, try selecting objects by color. Practice this slowly so you understand how Quick Select finds objects based on the rules. So this was the Quick Select command in AutoCAD 2027. As a beginner, just remember that Quick Select is used when you want AutoCAD to find objects for you. Instead of clicking objects one by one, you can select them based on their layer, color, object type, or line weight, and other properties. The command is simple. QSELECT starts Quick Select. Use it when your drawing becomes crowded and you want to select the object faster. In the next video, we'll understand Group in AutoCAD. Group helps us to keep multiple objects together so we can select and move them as a set of one without creating a block. So in the next video, we'll learn how to group and ungroup objects properly in AutoCAD. I'll see you in the next lesson.